All right. Can you see my screen, Ken?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, perfect. So we'll do a two-step presentation. So the first part of the presentation, we'll see how can we bridge XRPL asset to coreum and perform a swap on Pulsar AMM. So the goal is to showcase how can you leverage coreum DeFi ecosystem to bring usability to your XRPL assets. That is going to be the first part of the presentation. And after that, we'll do, instead of staying on Coreum, we will directly bridge our tokens to Osmosis. And the goal here is to showcase cross-chain interoperability with the Cosmos ecosystem. All right, so let's start. So let's do, first of all, bridging XRP to Coreum. So for that, I'll connect my XRP wallet. So I'm using Zaman. So I'll pretty much scan the QR code right now with my phone as I'm speaking. All right, slide to accept. Okay, I'll just accept. And all right, so now my XRPL wallet is connected right here, and you can see my address. I'll do the same for my Coreum account. So as you can see, those are the wallets that are available. So Cosmos Station, Kepler, and Leap. I'll use Kepler. And yeah, it's important to understand that this wallet right here is linked to the XRP ledger, and this one is linked to the Coreum blockchain. All right, so what I will do is select XRP. So in the earlier in the presentation, Kim mentioned that the tokens have to be registered in order to be bridged, and all of the token that you see here are being registered. So you can pretty much bridge them. So I'll go with XRP right here. I see that I have 20 XRP on my XRP Ledger wallet. So I'll start with 10 XRP. I'll autofill the address right here. So this is my current address, the same as right here. And I'll click continue, accept. Then I should receive a notification on Xaman. To make it faster, I'll just scan the QR code once again.
There's one thing that I would like to mention. Before you click on continue, you can see the details of your transaction, the bridging fees that are being charged, and how much you're going to receive. You're going to see it all there under the Coreum address. Yeah.
That's a very good point. That's a very good point. Um, so actually, you're right. Let's look at this first. So you can see that this is a proposed route. So from XRPL to Coreum, you can see the details right here. So not that much detail. The route is pretty direct. Those are the bridging fee that will be sent to the set of relayers. So the 32 relayers will share those bridging fee. And right here, you have the time, the estimated time. So we pretty much see that it's pretty much instant. And let's look at the XRPL Explorer. So right here, now I can see that the transaction was a success. And now if I look at my Coreum account on the Coreum Explorer, yes, you see, I now have 11 XRP on Coreum. I used to have one, and now it's 11. So I successfully bridged my XRP from the XRPL to the Coreum blockchain. All right, so now that I have this XRP on Coreum, I think something that is interesting is to pretty much see what can I do, because it's nice to bridge, but it's even better to see what I got from bridging those assets. So I will go to Pulsara, which is an AMM on Coreum, and I'll go to the pools. So pretty much the pools are how you have those two assets, right? So it's a decentralized protocol that will do the swap automatically. So it's loading right now.
Maybe you can go into the swap section on the top left. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it will be faster. All right, so XRP. So I do see my 11 XRP right here, and I want to swap for some Solo. So what I do is swap 5 XRP, and I see that for 5 XRP, I'll get 19 Solo. So I'll perform the swap. I'll send the transaction on my wallet with my wallet. All right. So now that I have those Solo token on coreum, let's go back to the bridge and do the opposite. So I'll bridge back those Solo token, those newly exchanged assets back to the XRPL. So maybe before we do that, I'll go on the XRPL Explorer, copy paste my XRPL address, look at the assets that I have, and I can see that I have 9 Solo. So if I will bridge, let's say, I might need to refresh. If I will bridge, let's say, 10 Solo, my balance on the XRPL should increase by 10. All right, so I'll connect my Kepler wallet, Solo, so I do have